Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion website. Open a Notion page, choose a template, and create the main pages like Home, About, Projects, and Contact. Add headers, databases for content, and simple navigation links. Use image blocks and call-to-action buttons linked to Mailto or external pages. Preview on mobile and desktop, adjust spacing and images, and publish when everything looks polished. Enjoy building and iterate often. Start by outlining the pages and navigation you want, using clear headings and consistent layout. Choose fonts and colors that match your brand, and keep spacing comfortable. Use galleries, toggles, and columns to present content dynamically while keeping load times low. Link pages for easy navigation and add social icons. Preview in desktop and mobile views, then adjust spacing and images for the best user experience. Test links before publishing. Quick ad break. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials really. Quick recommendation, a book called The Simple Path to Wealth helps simplify financial decisions so you can focus on building online projects. Think of it as decluttering your money while you declutter your Notion pages. Check the description for the book link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Add embeds like Google Maps, Figma frames, or Calendly for interactive content. Set up inline databases for portfolios, blog posts, or product lists, and use filters and views. Configure relations and rollups to show related items and summary stats. Use templates to speed content creation and maintain consistency across pages. Regularly backup critical content and consider using a CDN for faster global delivery. Monitor load times and tweak images or scripts as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.